Hi kids, for today's video, let's talk about pronouns. Let's read some sentences. This is father. He plants vegetables. This is mother. She waters the plants. This is Maria. She sweeps the yard. This is Ben. He throws the garbage in the can. He is a pronoun used to refer to a man, boy, or a male. Just like father and Ben. She is a pronoun used to refer to a woman, girl, or a female. Just like Maria and mother. Let's see some more samples. He is father. He is cooking dinner. She is Maria. She is washing the dishes. It is a dog. It is running. It is a pronoun used to refer to a thing, animal, situation, or place. He, she, and it are pronouns. Pronoun takes the place of a noun. Now let's replace a noun with the correct pronoun. John is eating ice cream. He is eating ice cream. Priscilla is washing her hands. She is washing her hands. The clock is ringing. It is ringing. Lara is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth. The bird is chirping. It is chirping. Ted is washing his face. He is washing his face. Sheila combs her hair. She combs her hair. Don is sick. He is sick. Father is getting ready for work. He is getting ready for work. The dog is barking. It is barking. Thank you kids for watching. Don't forget the lessons you learned today.